Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Today is our 200th episode since we started this channel. Now, it's not a normal episode. We were hoping to do actually a different 200th episode, but we couldn't get things scheduled in time. That's still coming. We got a real special episode coming. But what we're doing today is we are announcing the disposition of the prizes from the tank decorating contest. We had no entries. We had emails after the deadline when, hey, I forgot to send my entry in. YouTube has some really strict rules and we're abiding by them. So we are giving away the stuff anyway, but we found something I can't believe any of you would disagree with. Here we go. This is what we're doing. There's a little boy named Owen, and my buddies at A-Bait, Chinclacamoose chapter of Clearfield, Pennsylvania, put a ride on for him, a ride, a meal, an overall benefit. It's called the Boyer Run. They help a different kid every year, and this year we're helping Owen. And I just wanted to let you know, we donated to the Chinese auction, sometimes called a basket raffle. And what we donated was everything that we were going to give away, which totaled about $300 in retail value, to the basket raffle. And that's what we did with the prize. Our prizes. We had a whole bunch of little tools. Anyway, I'm not sure if we'll ever run another contest because this one was essentially a failure for lack of entries. But anyway, here's a few shots, and the vice president of that chapter, everybody else was out on a ride. A couple people were there setting up for when the riders came in. 200th episode. Thank you. We never thought we'd film this many. Never thought this channel would have the impact it has helping y'all. Have a great day. Hey, Tobe. What's going on today?
Jim Boyer ride. Down to the Eagles.
And what's the benefit?
Child in need.
Thank you.
Vice President and Senior District Rep for A-Bait of Clearfield.
And what are we doing here today?
We're doing a Jim Boyer Memorial Ride for Owen. He's a little child that has 3 brain surgeries and brain tumors.
Mm-hmm. So we're doing a ride. You mean the motorcycles we saw lighting out of the VFW?
Yes, they're on the ride. They're going to 5 stops and come back here. We'll have a pulled pork sandwich, macaroni and cheese dinner for them, and from Larry's provided by Larry's Barbecue and the Eagles and A-Bait. And this is our basket raffle. All the proceeds of everything we do today, 100% goes to this child.
Do you have any projection what we'll make today on?
No, I don't.
Not yet. Historically, I know the numbers, but
between the donations and everything, we're hoping for a good day.
okay.
Every little bit helps as much as they have to take this child back and forth to CHOP and, just a family in need.
This will go out nationally. CHOP is Children's Hospital of Philadelphia.
Yes.
Yes. And
he was in Pittsburgh and they life-flighted him to CHOP because Pittsburgh couldn't handle it anymore.
Yeah.
That's that bad.
So just more bikers taking care of kids. God bless you.
The Alliance of Bikers aim towards education.
That's A-Bait.
Yes.
And I am, the Guru is a member of A-Bait as well, but you all know that I'm a CMA member. That's where I'm primarily at, but we're glad to help with this. The tank donation, the tank decorating contest is now a donation for this young child, and I hope it brings lots of money here in the Chinese auction. Now, I don't care if it's politically incorrect to call it Chinese auction, but I hope it does. He's calling it a basket raffle. We know what it is. Hi, Linda. We know what it is. And anyway, we know what it is, and we're going to hope and pray for this young child. And so this is where the prize fund went from the tank decorating contest. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you.